Hey guys, my name is Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to send text messages or SMS for the best rates on the market to US or Australia or pretty much any other country depending on your SIM. So the idea with TextLink is to use your own SIM cards and Android devices to get the best rates on the market. So you install our app, you create an account, and you set the app up on your Android device with a SIM card, and we turn that Android device into a mini SMS server that only you can use. We also have a SMS warm-up built in, so pretty much like email, it just warms your device up with other TextLink devices. So yeah, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use it with n8n. So first thing you want to do is like create an account and everything. I'm going to leave the link in the description for the full setup, but we're going to jump straight into n8n flow. So I've already made the workflow, but I'm going to make it once again and show you step by step. So it's a pretty simple workflow. Just once you receive a message to your number, you send a text back. So TextLink receives the webhook, or TextLink sends the webhook when you receive the number to this webhook node, and then this HTTP node just sends the message back. You can plug in LLMs or whatever flows you have, like in between, to create the text. So what we want to do is create a node, create a webhook. You want to create a post webhook. Copy this URL, authentication none, respond immediately. So now just listen to test event. Go back to your TextLink dashboard, go to API and hooks, and look for the received message endpoint. Just paste that, make sure to click save, and test all webhooks working. So as we can see, this is just a preview, but you're going to get the phone number, text that you received, and the timestamp. So now we have that done. Now we want to go on to the next step. So next step is just an HTTPS request. So you want to do a post request, and all of that is explained here in the TextLink API, so docs.textlinksms.com. You want to take this URL. That's going to be the target URL we're sending to. Authentication. It's a generic credential type, and it's a bearer auth. Okay, so you create a new credential. You just go back to your TextLink dashboard, still API and hooks, copy your API key, paste it here, and click save. That's it. So now we also want to send a body. So we need two parameters. One is phone number, phone underscore number. That's the number we're sending a message to. And this can be like pretty much anything. Just make sure that it's in the international format. I'm just going to use my number for testing. And text you're sending. So it's just called text. And we're going to do test n8n. And that's it. Just execute step. Now we can see, okay, true, price 0, and SIM card ID that's used for this message. And as you can see, just give me a moment. As you can see, there's a test n8n message. So now we need to save, and we do this. Okay, so it's not live. Just publish it. Got it. Still not working. So this is the, I just have to use the production URL. Okay. Now it should be good. It's published, saved, and yeah. Just another test. Just click test webhook. This has been triggered, and as you can see, I just got another text test n8n. So yeah, that's how you send texts from n8n for the lowest rates on the market with 0 HB registration. You can get started in 10 minutes. Sign up on textlinksms.com today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.